This guy got 100k subscribers in 4 days 2 times. This guy got 100k subscribers in 10 days. That's even before they were monetized. And they made thousands of dollars from YouTube ad revenue and from the second method they used to monetize. And no, it is not music deals or any other BS. This is real business. The crazy thing is any idiot can do this in 10 days if they are willing to put the real work in. This is by far the fastest way to get rich. I don't know for how long this will last, so you have to start right now if you want to get rich in under 30 days. I like to call this method the guaranteed brain rot. First, let's look at their videos I'm talking about.
You scammed me.
Sir, what do you mean?
I liked your recent video and watched 3 times, but no free slushy cup.
Boy, you aren't even subscribed. Once
They are using some cool product to create videos that no one has ever seen. That's why everyone is curious to watch these videos. People can't stop watching because every video is a new, unpredictable, weird brain rot video that they have never seen. They subscribe like there is no tomorrow. Let's see how you can do the same. First step is to find a product. To find a product like that, we can go to a site like AliExpress, Temu or even Amazon. Or just go to TikTok and search TikTok made me buy it. Then start searching. Take your time and look for a product with this checklist. It should be a product most people don't have. You must be able to make unlimited videos like this with different things. It should be a simple product, anyone should understand what the hell it is. It should have a wow factor. If your product had all of these, then you are good to go. Now you have a product. Next thing we need is video ideas. If you have chosen the right product, this would be the easiest step. You need to come up with brain rot ideas that people want to watch. For that, your ideas must pass this checklist. You have never seen that on YouTube before. It should make everyone say cool. You will be very surprised if they don't watch it till the end. The next step is filming. This is a very important part. When you film the video, you need to make sure it is not boring. For example, watch this video. The camera is following the bottle, so the viewer feels like they are moving with the bottle. That creates more unpredictability, making them curious about how would the camera move next. When will the bottle break? How would the camera move when the bottle break? Will glass hit the camera? This keeps their dopamine level high, so they watch it till the end to find answers. Comparing to this video, the camera doesn't follow the bottle. Viewers can see the whole stairs. The bottle is far away from the camera. This makes their dopamine level goes down because the video gets boring every second. So you need to make sure you don't do these mistakes. Next step is editing. Cut all boring parts, but don't overdo it. I would recommend keeping the video over 40 seconds and under 75 seconds. I like adding a red arrow or circle in the first few seconds because it improves the swipe up rate. No one is going to swipe without looking at the red arrow, but obviously it is optional in this niche. Then add some sound effects if necessary. I use epidemic sounds to find sound effects. Add some upbeat music since this is brain rot, which is also available in Epidemic Sounds. Then you can add these conversation text if you think it matches your videos. Because for example, bottle niche doesn't need text or sound effects. Then export the video and upload. Make sure your channel is at least few weeks old. Also, it is better if you have an old Gmail. For tags, I just used hashtag shorts and I don't think you need any other tags. The next part is the 10 vid theory. You need to create 10 videos at least before giving up on a product. If you don't get 70% plus swipe up rate and 35 second plus average view duration, your videos aren't good enough. You need to improve your videos and make it better. But if you do get higher radios and still don't go viral after 10 uploads, then you can move on to a different product. If you are getting 0 views, then the problem is with your channel. But if you are getting any views, you need to keep upload. If you don't even cross 10k views mark after 10 uploads, your videos probably suck. The final step is selling the product. Let's say you went viral and now you are getting millions of views. You need to create a Shopify store on your product. There's countless videos on YouTube showing you exactly how to do that. Then add your website link in the about section, and that's all you have to do. Your subscribers are the audience who's interested in that product, so they will buy from you. If you wanna know more business opportunities as soon as possible, join this channel. I'll see you in the next one.